You are probably wondering, is it even possible to write a good YouTube script with AI? Quick answer, yes. And not just good. With the 3-step formula I'm showing you in this video, you can write a killer YouTube script with ease, raise your watch time, and make your first viral banger video, which will finally get the views it deserves. You know, I have spent months finding perfect prompts and tools for writing YouTube scripts, testing tens of different tools and hundreds of prompts to make it sound natural, engaging, and entertaining, so you don't have to. And after months of hard work, tons of YouTube videos, hundreds of shady websites, and BS tools, I finally found the right formula. I could easily charge hundreds of dollars from the info you will get by watching this free tutorial. You save so much time and effort. You won't need to pay $50 to $100 for a scriptwriter or deal with generic Fiverr results. Instead, I'll show you exactly how to turn below-average AI-generated scripts into top-notch content. Stick around, and I'll even reveal a secret trick to make your script sound human-written, so it won't get flagged as AI-generated content. Only thing I ask is you to hit that like button if you feel the value here. And if you're a small YouTuber struggling to get any views, comment your channel name in the pinned comment, and let's all grow together. Okay, enough yapping, let's start. So, the first thing to start is always to find a good topic. We are not here to reinvent the wheel, as they say. One easy and free way is just go incognito mode in YouTube, find some relevant keywords in your niche or the topic you want to cover, and use the filters. Sort by most viewed and click upload date to this month. Here you can see if your idea is getting any views or not. If yes, you are ready to go next step, but if not, you better try something else. Because if there are videos made with your idea with no views, your video probably won't be the rainmaker, no offense. Some great tools which I use to help me with research are VidIQ and NextLev extensions. They show you things like VPH, which means views per hour. Especially if you are planning to cover evergreen topics, you should check if there are videos more than a year old, which are still getting tons of views. When you find one, you got your golden ticket there. Now, when we got our topic, it's time to get the beef. Let's write that script. Head up to the ChatGPT. I have this custom GPT, which I've been training for more than a year with trying all kinds of methods. Teaching the GPT all kinds of viral scripts in different niches, and no brag, but it's pretty damn powerful. And now all the knowledge is packed in one detailed prompt, which you can find in the description. It's just as easy as filling these parts. And ChatGPT will give you almost ready-to-go script. Feel free to try it out and tweak it so it fits perfectly for your goal. Pro tip, always ask ChatGPT to make the script longer than you need. I don't know why, but it feels like bro always tries to slip from the tasks and do shorter than what is requested. That lazy... Okay, now even if the prompt we were using is so powerful and the script is almost ready to go, if we want that video to go viral and get those views it deserves, the revenue you deserve, after all the hard work you have done in working with your channel, all the endless nights thinking why the video doesn't fly, or just to make your first video ever go viral, get you monetized, and possibly change your life forever, the script is still AI generated and it will get detected as an AI content. And that's why it's so crucial to add this one last step before the script is ready. I would like to introduce you, AI Detector Pro. This is your secret to success while writing those AI scripts. After signing in, you end up on a dashboard like this. Head up to the purple button, New AI Scan, paste your script here, press Analyze, and let the AI do its magic. After a few seconds, you see your report is ready. Okay, wow, seems like pretty AI generated to me. Let's take a closer look. Here, as you can see, the red parts are obviously the worst ones, yellows are suspicious ones, and rest is quite good to go. And if our intro is red as Rudolph's nose, our video is pretty much doomed. We really need to fix this. We could take our time, open the script in Google Docs or whatever you are using, take a cup of coffee, or 5, and just rewrite it. Or we can do it an easy and fast way. Up here, press the AI eraser. It will open like this. And here, if you scroll down, you find your eraser tool. Try different variations with this toggle between more human and better writing. Then you can just take the part you like to humanize, press Humanize Document, and the tool will make your script sound like it's written by a human. It won't get detected as AI generated. It makes the view experience better and highly increases your chance to break the roof in YouTube and hit that viral video mark. Okay, now let's scan it again to see how it goes. Wow, that's impressive. So, if you don't want to be left behind, check out the first link in the description and try this tool, so you can benefit from it before everybody else is using it. And if you want to take that one more step, which might separate you and the endless YouTube income, Check out this video on screen where I'll show you how to make your AI voiceover in right way. If it's not there yet, it will be soon. Take care and grow.